guys, something different. I'm gonna show you my loom stuff. That, and over there, got the hook, and there's more bands. Also, if you want me to use the band, let me know. Got orange, white, yellow, black, white and black, blue, dark, the latest darker blue, pink, a bunch of glow in the dark. And this nice lime green thing. And I got red, white, yellow, blue, red, green, black and white, like dots, pink, and some more glow in the dark. No, these are pink and black. And I also got hooks. Let me know what color, and make you a bracelet like that. This is my loom.